Hello, YouTube. Long time no see. Um, I'm developing a new program, so that's why you guys don't see me that much. You guys can always visit my Facebook, Sapphire Coding, Sapphire Physician Coding. Sometimes I put a lot of updates on there for you guys to see and anyone to see, especially like coding interview questions and MIB interview questions. When I say MIB, I mean medical insurance billing, because we do give you a little taste of that. Don't forget, Sapphire Physician Coding is training you guys to pass your CPC. I would suggest you go on aapc.com so you can kind of get a look at what that is and what's on it. And you can always join the classroom. You can see what's on it. You can purchase the book, Medical Billing and Coding Q&A, and you can also see what's on there. Now, we do have a lot of videos already listed, but these videos are going to be kind of different because they'll be geared towards the class. But future videos that will be on YouTube will be more of informational purposes, motivational purposes. We want to get you guys started, especially some of you guys who are home and you guys are getting unemployment and stuff like that. Use the time wisely. Get creative, about what you want to do. So again, Sapphire Physician Coding, that's who we are. And we want to keep you informed on this channel. A couple of weeks the last time I was on the channel, I think we went over a few things, but there are more stuff that we're going to go over. But basically, it's just to kind of get you to get the feel of, what Sapphire Physician Coding does. Again, you guys can always go on the website and get a look at it and see what we do. What I have done is I've separated individual courses because there are some of you guys who are in my class that don't really need the full course. One course, could be $25, another one $40, another one $30, and some people just don't have $500 for a course, which is amazing against a college tuition for billing and coding for $20,000. And I don't want you to do that because that's what happened to me. I went to school for it. You guys know, you see my videos, and I don't know. I just feel like I didn't get $16,000 worth of billing and coding. Basically, I've learned most of it myself. That's why I want you guys to join my classroom. Billing and coding, you can literally teach yourself. You do get a completion certificate when you finish the course, but each course is different. There's, surgical coding, procedural coding. You need to learn ICD-10, you learn CPT, and there are beginner classes within this course. So, that's what I want you to do. So, when you guys are joining a class, the courses are one at a time. You cannot move on to the next course unless you complete the other course, because then you'll be wasting your little $25. You hear me say little $25. I want it to be $25 because it was free during, the beginning of the COVID. But the money goes back into the company. So it's not nothing that we're actually making. We're putting it back into the company, and we're actually trying to benefit those who cannot benefit from spending a whole lot of money. So we don't want you to do that. So again, I have not been on YouTube for a minute, but I will, pick it up again. I'm almost finished. I'm going to launch this new course, and I'll eventually put it on YouTube so you guys can see it. But if you guys have any questions for me about billing, about coding, the CPC exam, study tips, coaching, guidance, that's what we do at Sapphire Coding. It's all about motivation and doing what you want to do. And what we do is a lifetime. We want to teach you things that you can learn without paying a triple amount of money for something that us as a company can give you. So again, the website is www.sapphirecoding.com. You guys go on there and kind of get a look at what's going on in there. I also added on the website a little sneak peek of the class and what's in there. The orientation and the welcome package, I believe you can view that. I got to go in there and see it to make sure. So, because when you go on the website, I want you to click on the class, click on the program. When you click on the program, you can see what's in the program. The website is the website telling you what's going on and what we do. Within that website, you will see it. Just click on the program and you see what's going on in there. It's Sapphire Physician Coding course. So click on that link and you can get in there. Again, we want to keep you motivated. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Trust me, Ms. Lambert is not far away. Eventually, I will, get back to YouTube on a regular basis. But right now, I'm trying to give you more of what we already have. So, wherever you're at, Canada, Washington, Jamaica, wherever, you guys keep sending me the emails, no doubt. I will continue to get back to you. I have like 3 different emails: llbcfrank@sapphirecoding.com, sapphirellbc@gmail.com, and other ones that are like personal. But my phone number is also there. You also can text me. If you guys need a one-on-one, the one-on-one is free. When you go on the website, just do the one-on-one. Give me an hour time that you need. The hours are there that I'm available, and we can go ahead and do a one-on-one. We can do a Zoom, Skype, or however we're going to do it. But those of you who have not done billing before, who have not done coding before, there is a beginner program for you, and it is a long program. The start of that is it's going to take about 6 weeks or more for me to even get you introduced to what billing and coding is. But this is the easy part. They're cheap. The coding, how to code, is $40. The billing, coding is nothing. And that's why I lowered it like that, because I want everybody to learn billing and coding. We are going to form a billing and coding coalition. I don't care if it's a coding coalition. I say billing and coding because I want you to know that we're throwing billing in there. But it's basically a coding course. A lot of colleges call me and say, well, Ms. Lambert, they just want to do coding. They just want to do coding. It's not just about coding. You gotta know the billing too. So that's why, it's billing and coding. We give you insight on both. But go into the course. I think the billing course is like $30 or something like that. But go in there. I think I have the orientation packet in there already, and get a look at it. See if it's for you. Don't forget to get the book. I would get the book too. There's an ebook in there in the classroom. The ebook is 1996. 1969 or something like that, and you can still get it at Amazon.com. I think it's $30 on Amazon.com. If you get it on Amazon.com, you can get it in hard copy version. You can get it in hard copy version. I have it as an ebook in the classroom for you guys. It's 1969, and you can order it from me too. It doesn't matter. Send me an email, and I'll go ahead and give it to you. You can do all your payments and everything already online. But a lot of stuff that we're going to do on Facebook is the same. Some of the live lectures, I can do the live lectures and then just post them to, the discussion board. But I do want to do the live lectures to YouTube, because I want everybody to see, what's going on in the classroom. You guys know how I am about time. It's already 8 minutes in. I'll try to keep these things down to 15 minutes. But again, I got an email about the books. If you can't get the current books, don't worry about it. Go to Thrift, get you a $5 book. I have the new books, don't worry about it. When you are able to get the new books, get the new books. If some of you are ready to take your CPC, you cannot use old books. I will encourage you to use new books. You can use the year before, but get the new one. Because we went through the tabbing. Don't tab your book like how I did. I get carried away. So the new program is amazing. And you know how I'm building this program? I'm basing a lot of it on these emails that I am getting. You guys are asking thousands of questions. And it didn't take me forever to kind of get back to you. Sometimes I do respond on Facebook. So go to Sapphire Physician Coding. I did have Sapphire Financial Training, which is the same thing, but sometimes I get too many questions about, well, what is financial training? All right, we're dead at that. It says specifically what we do, Sapphire Physician Coding. So go on to Facebook, send me a friend request or whatever you need to do, and we'll kind of take that from there. And you can also ask questions on Facebook. If you don't want me to put it out loud, I won't put it out loud. I'll go ahead and send you a message with the receipt of what you asked me, and I'll let you know what it is. Right now we're working on a longer cardiovascular project right now, because there's some things in there that you need to know ins and out. I'm telling you right now, in the cardiovascular, you must know how the heart operates. Remember, that exam is 5 hours and 40 minutes. It's going to be multiple choice, but it's still going to have in what order that heart operates. Okay, where's the aorta, right or left? You understand? So, yeah, you need to study that, and don't forget to get your index cards, even if you're on YouTube. If you're on YouTube and you're just kind of like following me on YouTube with these courses and certain stuff that we're doing, send me an email, Ms. Lambert. What are YouTube at, Ms. Lambert? What? I need a YouTube, Ms. Lambert. Tell me what you want to talk about. I'll go ahead and put it on, because normally, after, because there's so much going on. It's just like so much going on. My best friend, she just bought a house, and it's just everything. And it's like tea time for us. But you guys know how Ms. Lambert is. But send me an email. Let me know what's going on. And then, me and my girlfriend are developing, a program that, we're trying to get everybody to get in on it. And then I'm trying to like split myself between everybody. So I still got to give my YouTube people time. And do not forget, you guys, join my channel. Okay, have my grandson join the channel. Join my channel, because everything that's in there you will need. You don't need to go to school for it. A training program, my course, that's fine. Any course, but you don't forget, you gotta have willpower. You gotta have willpower. When you do something on virtual campus, you can't. You have to pay attention. You won't be micromanaged. Okay. So again, good luck. I will be back. I'm gonna do another video. Go into the website, look at the classroom, and see what's going on. Once you go into that program course, you can see the prices right there. You click on it, you pay $20, $10, whatever it is, and that classroom opens right up for you. And then I will set you up with your own program. So send me an email at lbcfink@sapphirecoding.com. This is Miss Lambert. I will see you soon.